Phil Rufe. I am the Product Design, Engineering Technology Program Coordinator, and I'm also a professor in the program. So the program is basically going to be about designing and building products. Typically, if students like to design and build things, our product design program is a good option. We have an excellent building with wonderful labs that our students will work in. Most of our classes are half and half, 50% lecture, 50% lab activity, so very hands-on.
Probably my most favorite thing about being in the PDET program would be all of the hands-on work we get to do in the labs. You learn anything from welding, fabrication, casting, injection molding. You learn everything about materials. My time in PDET has absolutely prepared me for industry. You know, not only in PDET do you design the products, but you also follow it through the manufacturing processes.
What differentiates this program from, saying, students who only learn CAD to students who only learn manufacturing is that it integrates both of those concepts. So students learn how to design things, but also how to make them, and the importance of the interaction of the two. Understanding how to design things that can later be made is very important.
I chose the product design degree mostly because I have a love for creating things. There's been a lot of classes here regarding prototyping and manufacturing with plastics, and it's definitely been very satisfactory with what I've wanted to go for.
So we're primarily focused on choosing materials, doing a lot of CAD work, designing for manufacture, figuring out quality issues. So typically, if students like to design and build things, our product design program is a good option.
I already do have a plan for what I'm hoping to get for a career once I'm actually out of university. I have an internship set for Lego, so I'm hoping to actually go for the Lego group.
If you're afraid of joining engineering because you're afraid of the math and scary numbers, I promise you all of the design work will be a lot more rewarding for you.
There's really a side of product design for everyone out there. If you have a love for being hands-on, if you want to make something out there, or just generally want to have a means to express yourself through a more engineering point of view, I'd say this program is for you.